Hey guys, good morning, welcome back. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. I want to show you this color. It's pale green by Winsor & Newton. I use it quite a lot. I love my greens. I love this forest look and also the ocean look. I think those are two classics that I really love. Today I'm gonna create a green painting again, a square canvas with a side design like I did with my Proud Pour and Molly's Artistry also does. The composition of these pours are so different and so much fun and so appealing to me. So I'm gonna do it with my favorite color palette lately. Let's get started. Alright, since I loved my Proud Pour so much and the side design from Molly's Artistry, I'm gonna do it with one of my favorite colors, and that's the pale green by Winsor & Newton. And I love that in combination with the olive green by Amsterdam, gold, silver, maybe some phthalo green, white, and what do we have here? I think this is a paynes gray, or well, I know for sure it's a paynes gray. Yeah. Let's start pouring the base. And blow that out. Oh, and I think it would be time to get a new blow dryer soon, because it gives a little bit of a smell. I guess that's not right. But it's my baby. I can't do without my blow dryer. Yet. Okay, so I'll be layering the colors in a square format and then blow it out in the directions I feel like. I will be starting with the olive green. Let's go with white. Not too much of the white, I feel like. Then silver. And I always lately use the silver, but most of the time we don't see the silver anymore. But we'll see this time. You know, I love gold. Let's add some gold. Then the paynes gray, because that will give a beautiful contrast with the pale green. And just a little touch of phthalo green, because that dries super vibrant and I think that would be very nice. Okay, so I will pour just a little bit of the pale green like that, so I can really let the colors flow. Maybe just some around this too. And first I'll blow it out to the sides and then let's see what we have and how we're gonna tweak this. Alright, so I did not really have a plan how to blow this. I wasn't expecting that the paynes gray would pop up like this. Yeah, I do love it here. Yeah, I feel like we can blow a lot more. There's a lot of color left on the canvas, so we can make this work, because it's not working right now. Some parts are nice though. I'm not happy with this at all. It also does look like that the pale green has Floetrol in it, because then you get all those lines like that. I had it in a bottle and I thought it was with just water, but now looking at it, it must definitely been with Floetrol. Let's see if I can let some gold pop or something. Not really. Yeah, it's I don't know what to think about this. I really don't know. It has such a weird composition. I don't know if I like this, but I'm also not hating this. It's so different. I think I need to get used to this painting maybe. I'm tempted to let this dry and see how it looks when dry, and not to make a radical decision to scrape this, because I just don't know what to think of this. Looking at it from this way, I'm trying to see from every angle for the composition. Also, these colors turned out very different than my other pieces that I used the exact same color combination. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments right now. I want to know. I really want to know. You know what? I'm gonna let this be. It's tripping. It does have something. I overblew it, I think. I don't know. Because it was not my plan to create a painting like this. You know, I need to get used to that it turned out different and really collect my brain and what I think of this piece. Yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, give you a close-up and probably show you the dried end result as well, and let me know what you think of this. I am dying to know. All right, close-up coming up. See here, the dried end result. So what are we thinking? I'm thinking, yeah, the pale green is taking over this piece. You know, it's eating it up all around the sides as well. I dislike that. I should have been more careful and know what my mixture was. I need to touch up those kind of cells just with a brush, you know, because they're messy. I dislike that. And I was thinking what would be cool with this one is to paint the sides black. I think this would be lovely. Further, I am loving the composition and also the colors, of course. Definitely. Here's some of the phthalo green. That's a nice touch. Yeah, overall pretty happy, but not completely satisfied. So let me know what you think and what you think of all those Floetrol cells. You know, this is why I almost never use Floetrol. It doesn't work like that in most of the paints, I must say. But yeah, in this one it did. Alright, I'm gonna let you go and I'll see you next time, I hope. And of course, if you have some suggestions for me to try out or some color combinations you would love to see me making, I would love to hear that. And I'll see you next time.